Say hi, everyone.
Hi, Mama.
Say, this is Ivy's Forge
Forge
and Homestead.
Elsa.
And I am Gladis, and this here is Elsa, aka Yaya. So today we're gonna do, what are we gonna do today? Cheddar garlic biscuits. All right, so we're gonna get started. She is the one that's gonna be pouring this in, and I will be letting y'all know the measurements and the ingredients. Awesome. All right, so here we have 2 cups of flour. Yaya poured those in, or should I say Elsa? And then we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. There we go, awesome. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Oh, great. Then we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Okay, I can put bananas on.
Yeah, that's salt, right? Then we're gonna go ahead and add
some that.
olive oil or vegetable oil, but for me, I like using the sunflower oil.
Okay.
So first we're gonna mix our dry ingredients up, and then we're gonna add that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Yeah? Okay, so here we go. This is all yours. All right. Nicely, there we go. All right, while she's doing that, we're gonna mix everything else over here, all your wets. Oh yeah, we almost forgot, didn't we? So we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of, can you guess what it is? Uncle Steve's Shake. Yes, the original. So we're gonna go ahead and add that instead of adding our parsley. You can add parsley. If you want to add parsley instead of the seasoning, it would be 2 teaspoons of parsley. But for this, we're adding 1.5 teaspoons. All right, mix it in there, Yaya. Awesome. Elsa. All right.
Okay, hi guys, I'm spinning this.
Yes, she's spinning that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our oil into here or there?
There.
There, okay. Yep, there we go. And then we're gonna add our milk, which is gonna be 1 cup of milk. And if I didn't say, it was 1/2 cup of your sunflower oil or olive oil or vegetable oil. Now your milk can be buttermilk or milk, and it's only gonna be 1 cup. There we go. Awesome, isn't it?
Yummy.
Yummy. And then we're gonna add our 2 eggs. Do you wanna crack an egg with me?
Yeah.
All right, let's put this to the side. Are we ready?
Yeah, go.
No shells. All right, Elsa. Whoa, yes, we did it. All right, let go. Thank you. All right. Awesome. All right, here's your little rag so you can dry yourself. Make sure you don't got any more shells on you. Good job. All right, keep stirring that. There we go.
Oh,
And here is the second one. Yes. Cheese is good, isn't it? All right, we add the cheese in there. The cheese is going to be 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. We like to use cheddar. It's your choice.
And these.
And our garlic. We'll throw our garlic in here, okay? The garlic is going to be chopped garlic, cooked if raw. And it'll be 2 teaspoons of it. Let's throw it in here. Good job. Is it all in there?
Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. All right. So now with that, we're going to mix it.
Okay.
Wait a second, and you got that one over there. And, oh, okay. Well, are you done with this one here?
No.
All right, you're going to mix over here now. Are you ready?
Let's do yours.
Mix over here.
Hey.
Oh, mix over here. Good job.
No, you do yours.
All right, so now we're gonna mix that in. If you want to have spicy or just a little kick of biscuits, if you don't have the Uncle Steve's seasoning, you can go ahead and add 1 jalapeno, medium-sized jalapeno is fine, into it, and it'll give you that nice kick that you're looking for. All right, so she's mixing this up. As soon as we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and mix it into the dries. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 420 degrees, okay? So put that in there in the oven, and you're gonna have it in the oven for...
I'll put this in here.
Well, we're going the other way. Here you go. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Go! There you go.
I'm doing myself.
Okay, she's doing it herself. And there we go. Everything is in there. Awesome. All right, we're gonna mix that nice and good. Like we said, into the oven for 420 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. And there we go, let's see. So we have that heating up over there, and we're just waiting for it to beep. All right.
Yeah, yummy.
It is yummy. It looks yummy. Okay, let's help. Let me throw in a little elbow into this.
Hi guys, handed me, mommy.
Yep, you're helping mommy, and we are about to scoop out 1/4 cup. So we're gonna use a measuring cup and a 1/4.
No.
Yes, you did a good job. Good job. And we're gonna scoop it out. And she's gotten ahead of me here, but it's okay. We got this. And there we go. Yeah, you see? You're looking at yourself there, huh? So we're scooping this out 1/4. It's gonna make a nice little, 2-inch by 2.
I can cook it.
Biscuits.
I'm cooking.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that nice? You're cooking. Gotta make sure all of it is out. You see? Good job. And then, there we go. And wow.
Mommy's my
You're gonna use it too to scoop it out, huh? Okay, there we go. And it should make about 8 to 10, depending on how big you want to make
I
it.
miss my hand.
Yep. So our oven just beeped, and we are about to put these biscuits in. Okay, there we go. Is that Yaya's mini? Okay, good job. No more touching it. Okay, let's leave it alone. Let's wash our hands now. All right, so we are done putting them in our pan. Now we're gonna go ahead and toss them into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what we are looking for is it to rise, and the top little peaks of when it's rising are gonna be golden brown. So golden brown is what we're looking for. All right, are you ready? Be careful. Good job. Let's do the next one. Are you ready? Thank you, Elsa. You're such a big helper. And into the oven we go. So as you can tell, they're rising. And the peaks are slowly getting nice and brown. All right, everyone, biscuits are out. They are meant to be flat, but I made them that way because I am going to make sausage and gravy with them. If you want them to be humongous and fluffy and be able to cut them in half for your jelly instead of adding flour, go ahead and just add self-rising flour instead. And like I promised, today we're going to be doing the grit sausage gravy that's going to go on top of our biscuits. All right. So, like always, we're going to make sure that our skillet is seasoned all the time. We don't want a dry skillets whatsoever. All right, so we're going to start off with our ground pork. In here, I have a pound. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this until it's nice and brown. And yes, I have my skillet on. So we're going to cook it. Break that up nicely. Pink in the pork and everything looks like it's cooked well, we are going to go ahead and add the 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in there. Let that cook for a bit.
Mommy. Look, the moon. You see it?
All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the 4 cups of milk that is going to go in here because we're making enough for 8 people. If you want to make some for 4, just cut the recipe in half. So here is 2 cups right now. 2 cups of milk. And then here's the other 2 cups. All right, now that the milk is in there, we're going to go ahead and add some of Uncle Steve's Spicy R. And we're going to go ahead and just add 1 teaspoon of this. And I'm going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of our garlic in there. And just a pinch of your cayenne, your salt, and pepper. All right, everyone, the ground pork sausage gravy is done. As you can tell, I've been sitting here or standing here and mixing it slowly, letting it cook, letting it not stick to the bottom of the pan, and letting it get nice and thick. And look at this, it's gonna be amazing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, let it cool off a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and serve it with the biscuits. So, give me a sec. So guys, today for Father's Day, Ansa's request was biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, it's my favorite breakfast of all time.
So, Anaya helped me with the biscuits. And I did the pork sausage gravy for the biscuits as well. And you can hear the little one in the back. So, here it is. And we all did. Look at that.
Just like does the pepper.
Of course, he loves.
I'll cook
And
for you.
Awesome. There you go.
Thank you, Mommy.
So,
Thank you, Elsa.
Thank
you're
you.
welcome, everybody. You can try it. You already know about the biscuits. These are nice and flat. And if you want them nice and fluffy, then all you gotta do is add icing flour. All right, that's all for us. Thanks a lot.
See you on the next one.